Today we have made a very nice and flavorful pulao, mutton pulao or goat meat pulao. This is one of my most requested videos. Actually, I had posted a picture of this pulao, and so my friends and family just asked me to post a nice video on this. So here goes for all of you the recipe of mutton pulao, and it tastes really awesome and it is very easy to make. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sweet Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and supporting me so much. We hope to continue this journey together. So let's start with the recipe of this mutton pulao. For this mutton pulao, I have taken a few ingredients. Cloves I have taken around 3/4 teaspoon. Whole black pepper I have taken around 1 teaspoon. Apart from that, I have taken here cinnamon sticks around 2 inch. I have just break them so that it releases a nice aroma. And black cardamom I have taken large size around 3 whole. Then comes ginger. I have taken around 2 inch of ginger here. I have just peeled it and I'll cut directly it in the pan. And cloves I have taken here around 10 to 12 cloves. Then comes caraway seeds or shahajira, around 1 teaspoon I have taken. And then salt I have taken around 3 teaspoon. It would be enough for 1 kg of goat meat. And onion I have taken 1 large onion. I have just cubed it into 4 pieces. And then I have taken a sun dried ghost chili. It's very hot. I'm just giving a warning. If you don't want to use that, you can always use the normal dry red chili, around 5 to 6. And here comes our main ingredient, goat meat or mutton, around 1 kg. I have used the charm pieces here because this piece goes very nice with the pulao and it has very less fat in it. I have not trimmed the excess fat, but this goat meat itself is less fatty. So 1 kg of goat meat I have taken here. And then comes a very nice quality of basmati rice. You can choose from any good brand, around 2 cups. So first I'll soak 2 cups of basmati rice. Actually I am soaking this rice when I am starting my recipe. We don't need to soak it beforehand. So just soak it till our mutton is ready. Wash it 2 to 3 times and soak it in water. Now I'll transfer this mutton to a deep pan, and the ginger I have taken, I'll cut it into coin size roughly, because anyway all these ingredients will just melt away with the mutton. And now all the ingredients I had taken, all the whole spices, garlic, ginger, cloves, everything to the pan. And there goes my ghost chili. I'm just very concerned here. Those who don't want to use ghost chili, please skip this. Use according to your wish. And now I'll mix it and I'll add around 2 cups of water here and then place it on the stove. Let this mutton cook nicely and release its flavors to make a nice gravy on medium flame for around 45 minutes. As I said, in 45 minutes this mutton would be 80% done. And I have placed my pan on the stove. Meanwhile, I'll crush around 10 cloves of garlic and 1.5 inch I have taken here ginger. I have just peeled it and I'll crush this both together. Believe me, the freshness of freshly crushed garlic and ginger is really heavenly for any dish. Nothing can be compared to the fresh taste of this 2 ingredients. So make sure you really use this freshly crushed, not the packed ones we get in market, because that will completely differ the taste of pulao. So my crushed ginger and garlic is ready here, and my mutton is looking good here. As I said, it will take around 40 to 45 minutes in a pan, and the stock has reduced, and my mutton piece is looking good. It has just cooked to 80%. We don't want it to be cooked fully, so just cook till it is 80% so that rest it can be cooked with the rice to give a rice flavor to the rice. Meanwhile, my mutton is almost done, and now I'll heat around 3/4 cup of oil, cooking oil, any oil you can use. I have used a olive oil in a pan, and to it I'll add around 2 medium size of onions, finely sliced, and I need to roast these onions in this oil in medium flame for good 10 to 12 minutes or till they turn golden and crisp. The color of the pulao completely depends upon the color of the onions. So make sure you do this process very carefully. Now my onions are doing great now. At the side, I'll transfer my mutton to a nice casserole in which I'll cook my pulao. I'll separate the stock. And now I'll add my onions. As I said, the color of the pulao depends upon this fried onions, so don't overdo it, neither underdo it. So I'll add this onion and the oil, and then add the crushed ginger and cloves. Basically these are the aromatics that gives nice aroma when they are. Now mix them and cook it nicely on medium flame till the mutton gets the nice caramelized color of the onions. You can see the mutton will not look like it's a boiled one, it will look completely roasted. For that we have to keep patience and roast it with this onions and crushed ginger and garlic for around 10 to 12 minutes. And see, this is the color I was talking about, and this color gives a very nice flavor. The mutton is nicely roasted and the onions have completely dissolved, all the spices have dissolved, as I said. Now I'll measure the stock and add it to the pan. Actually we have taken 2 cups of rice, so for 2 cups of rice we need 3 cups of liquid, around 1.5 times. So for 3 cups of liquid I have already 2 cups of stock. I measured them and I added, and rest to fulfill I'll add 1 cup of water. So for 2 cups of rice I have 3 cups of liquid. At this stage you can taste the amount of salt. Salt should be a bit high at this stage, then the pulao level of salt would be okay. So just taste it, the salt should be a bit high range. And now add the rice, give it a nice mix and cook it on high flame till you see the rice has absorbed all the water. Now just mix a little bit from side and add some caraway seeds on the top of it. Now I'll cook this pulao on dum, so I'll just transfer it to a pan and lower the flame to lowest and cover and let it cook on dum for good 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes my pulao is ready here. See how beautifully each grain is fluffy and nice caramelized smell is coming. The color is also beautiful. As I said, the pulao will attain the color of the onions, and as you can see my rice, each strain of rice has beautifully cooked. Let it cool and then I'll just transfer it to a beautiful platter here. My pulao is looking so nice and the mutton pieces have got a nice caramelized flavor. Do try this recipe, you will love it once you make it. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, do give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. Share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.